As you saw in the last video, I did the oil. Pretty straightforward. It took a long time for it to drain, but hey, I guess it's just a slow drainer. That's fine. So I put the tank back on. I figured before I button it all back up to start it, slide the fuel line on, and I'll pour some fuel into it, and we will see if this bad boy will start up and how it sounds running. Oh, and also show you something else. I also found a mounting point for the time being for the key. I had a threaded spot in the highway dirt bikes on this side, so I just put it over here. Plenty of room. I can actually pull it out if I want and twist it, turn it on and off. So good enough, it's out of the way, it won't be hit, and I can still look down and see the gauge just fine. I guess this is going to be the test to see if it starts. So I'll probably open the garage door there, which there tends to be dogs barking and what have you. So forgive me on that, and let's get it started. So in this can, I have Lucas 2-stroke mix, and it's 50-1 because that's what I run in the gas. That's what I'm gonna put in here. We don't need a lot, just enough there. Just enough in the bottom. Turn it on facing reserve because, well, it's gone. I just saw fuel go through the filter. So here we go. Okay, kill switch works. Turn it right up. Well, test start seems to have gone pretty dang good. I'll take it out tomorrow if it's still nice, sunny out tomorrow. We'll take it up and down the street and see how it does. I still have to put on like the rear blinkers if I want those on. Personally, I might just leave them off, but I want to see where they're connected to so I can make sure their wire's not dangling or something like that. But yeah. Anyways, hopefully you like that first startup of the GPX TSE250R. It seems so far pretty good. Real truth will come riding it in long term. I know I haven't really mentioned that, but this is going to be kind of long term. I'm going to try this out over at least next year, if not the year after that, and then maybe sell it. Or it depends. It depends what comes out that I might want to test or get my hands on, and if I need the cash flow. But I'm planning to go through next summer. or this summer, 2021. Sorry, it's already 2021. But go through this summer and then possibly into next and then sell it or spring. I don't know. So anyways, hopefully you like this video. Please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and check out my other videos. Have a good one and stay well, my friends. Bye.